Hey all! Today let us make a paper sheep craft. Welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini, and if DIY is your love, then you must definitely go through our channel and click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. We just need 5 materials, and they are A4 sheet, pencil, sketch pens, scissors and Fevicol. Is ready! Isn't it fun and interesting to make? Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. And do let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!